شخص تو جان ہے ہماری.
My question is, depression and anxiety are becoming very common these days. Huzoor, can you please provide guidance regarding this matter, and what is your view about mental health?
It is because we are involved too much in materialistic things. The preference order of our desires and our wishes has changed. And instead of seeking Allah's love and Allah's closeness, we are running after worldly things. This is the main cause of it. And when your desires are not fulfilled, you cannot get whatever you want, then you become frustrated. And then that frustration leads to anxiety. So this is what Allah Ta'ala has said in the Holy Quran, Allah bi zikrillahi tatma'innul qulub, that remembrance of Allah is the best way for the satisfaction of your heart. Right? So if you remember Allah, whenever you have any problem, you bow before Allah, you offer your 5 daily prayers fervently, sincerely, then Allah will give comfort and satisfy your heart, right? And resultantly, you will feel comfortable and better. And most of the patients nowadays who are having this anxiety problem are because they are too much inclined towards worldly things. So, if you try to get closer to Allah Ta'ala, then at least 80% of your anxiety will finish. Okay? So, you are lucky that Allah Ta'ala has given you the chance to be the member of that community who is following the reformer of the age, the promised Messiah, whose advent was foretold. So he has asked us that instead of running after worldly things, you try to get closer to your Creator, and that will give you satisfaction and comfort. Okay?
Jazakallah.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum.
اے شخص تو